one client that came to me through writing original articles. I've made probably about $100,000 out of them in 1 year.
Hey, it's Jonathan Tanner here, the CEO and co-founder of Social Media College. I'm here with Leo Clifford, one of the graduates from the Social Media Marketing Intensive.
So I'm a business owner. I own a recruitment firm called Ramp Up Talent. I've been running that for the last 4 years. Been doing recruitment overall for 12 years. The reason I started social media marketing, having two businesses, I realized how important it was to move away from, I guess, that traditional type of marketing.
How has that changed the course of the business for you?
Yeah, sure. I was on LinkedIn and I was connecting with people, but I wasn't writing articles. I wasn't, I guess, sharing original information. I was sharing other people's articles, and the feedback I actually had was, after I started writing my own articles, I had clients contacting me saying, hey, you actually know what you're talking about. You're in our industry, you know our industry, you know our business, we love what you're doing. So I started actually getting clients out of it. People would come to me. So it turned things around for me. One example, one client that came to me through writing original articles, I've made probably about $100,000 out of them in 1 year.
Well, that's fantastic. So, if a potential client is worth, $100,000, then the return that you've generated on this course is absolutely massive.
Yeah, well, it's the course is peanuts, putting a small investment in, and what I've got just from one client, mind you. I guess, that return's huge. But one thing I love as well is that I absolutely hated doing cold calls, but I've now found a way to avoid doing that. And, by writing, which I actually enjoy, I now, attract clients that way. So it's made my life a lot easier and made my business more successful.
Yeah, fantastic. And tell us about your side project, your photography business.
So I've been doing underwater photography for some swimwear brands and also some Instagrammers. I'm targeting groups that are relevant to what I do. And, now I get people, again, getting in touch with me. It's a passion project, and it's absolutely wonderful to be making money out of it as well. So yeah, just helping them out, and it's great fun, as well as making a little bit of extra cash on the side.